The following video demonstrates the steps involved with setting up the Baxter Amia Cycler. The content of this video is meant to supplement training provided by PD programs in BC for patients using this cycler. If you have any questions or require further direction, please contact your PD program. Place the cycler on a clean, flat surface beside your bed. The first step of any PD procedure is to wash your hands. Before setting up the Amia Cycler, you must wash your hands with soap and water. To begin setting up the Amia Cycler, you will need to gather the necessary supplies in your work area. You will need the Amia Cycler, the appropriate dialysis solutions for your treatment, the Amia cassette, and a drain bag if you use one. After you have gathered all of the supplies, turn the Amia Cycler on by pushing the on button. This is found at the top left-hand side of the machine. It will take a few seconds to start up. After the cycler has been turned on, you will see the test button appear on the display screen.
Touch test to ensure the device audio and stop button are working.
This occurs every time the cycler is turned on. Press the test button to allow the cycler to go through a test phase and ensure all alarms are working. You will hear an alarm. Press the stop button located on the left side of the cycler to silence the alarm.
Did the device produce audio alert tones?
The cycler will then ask you if the machine produced audio alarms. Press the Yes button to indicate that you heard the alarm. Press Next to proceed. If the patient name on the display screen is correct, press Go. Enter your weight, blood pressure, and heart rate by pressing the appropriate numbers on the screen. Press Enter after entering each number.
Enter your blood pressure. Enter your heart rate. Select a program, then touch Next.
Press Next to proceed. The display screen shows your program settings for the previous therapy. Review each setting and press Confirm if accurate. If anything needs to be changed, press the Program Setting button on the top right of the display screen. The display screen will ask which drain option you are using: drain bag or open drain. Select the option that you use and press Next.
Gather your treatment supplies according to your program.
Before proceeding, make sure you have all your supplies on your work table. Then press Next.
Gather your treatment solutions according to your program.
The cycler will ask if you have the right solutions available. If you do, press Next.
Remove bags from packaging.
Open all solution bags on your workspace. Examine the solutions using the word Seal. Check the solution type, the expiry date, the solution amount, and if there are any leaks. Make sure the solution is clear. If the solution is okay to use, press Next. Open the front door of the cycler by lifting up on the handle. The door will open downwards. Open the heater lid. Press Next. Open the cassette package and inspect the cassette. Make sure all caps are on the tubing lines. The first line on the left is the drain line. The second line with the green cap is the patient line. The line with the red clamp will attach to the first solution bag, while the line with the blue clamp will connect to the last solution bag. The remaining lines with the white clamps are additional supply lines. Press Next.
Remove drain line from line organizer and let hang.
Press Next.
Close the 4 solution line clamps in the line organizer. Do not clamp the patient line.
Close the 2 white clamps, the blue clamp, and the red clamp. Do not clamp the line with the green cap, which is the patient line. Press Next on the display screen. Place the blue organizer on the holder on the side of the machine. Press Next when done. Unravel the cassette and place the soft plastic cassette flat on the door. Place the lines into the channels. Each line should have its own channel and must not be crossed, pinched, or kinked. Press Next. Place the heater bag in the heater tray. Make sure that the heater bag is flat with no kinks, as kinks may delay the therapy. Slip the heater tubing into the tubing guide on the left side of the cycler. Press Next on the display screen. The cycler will tell you to close the front door and the heater lid. You may require both hands to close the front door of the cycler. Make sure that the tubing is not kinked anywhere. Close the heater lid and press Next. Remove the patient line, which is the line with the green cap, from the organizer on the right side of the cycler. Place it in the patient line holder on the left side of the cycler. The patient line must be pressed firmly into the holder. There is a sensor at the bottom of the holder that must come into contact with the patient line tubing to prevent alarms. Press Next when completed. Close the white clamp on the short sample line on the drain line. If you are using a drain bag, remove the blue cap from the drain line. And the clear cap from the drain bag. Connect the drain line to the drain bag by spiking the two together. Close the white clamp on the drain bag. Place the drain bag, shiny side up, on the floor by the bed. If you are not using a drain bag, remove the blue cap from the drain line and place the drain line into a drain receptacle such as the toilet or shower. Tape the drain line to the toilet or shower surface so it doesn't fall out. Press the test button when completed. The system will start testing the cassette to make sure everything is working correctly. It will take approximately 4 minutes to complete the test. You can walk away from the machine and complete other tasks during this time if you wish. Once the test is complete, press Next. Put on a mask and rewash your hands with hand sanitizer. Once completed, press Next. You are now ready to connect the solutions. The cycler will tell you which line to connect to each solution based on your prescription. Begin by taking the red clamp line from the line organizer and connect it to the solution that is identified on the cycler screen. Remove the clear pull ring on the red clamp line and remove the pull ring on the solution bag. Without touching either end, connect them together by using a twisting motion. Press Next. If you use a different last fill solution such as Extraneal, you will take the blue clamp line and connect it to the special solution by repeating the same connection steps. Press Next. The cycler will instruct you to take the last white clamp line and connect it to the appropriate solution and repeat the connection process. At this point, check to make sure the solutions are connected properly. Press Next.
Confirm connected solution types, concentrations, and volumes. When finished, touch Next.
The cycler is now ready to begin the priming process. Starting with the red clamp line, break the blue seal on the solution bag by using a snapping and rotating motion. Make sure the seal is completely broken. Open the red clamp. Repeat the process of breaking the blue seal and opening the clamp on all lines in use. If a line is not in use, it should be left with the clamp closed. Press Prime.
The system is priming. Please wait.
It will take approximately 20 minutes for the cycler to complete the priming process. You can leave the machine at this point. Once the machine has completed priming, it will sit until the patient is ready to connect to the cycler at bedtime.